What's going on, guys? MixedSid here, back again for another cocktail video, and today's cocktail, guys, is the Fat Man Running. I will show you how to make this simple cocktail. So what you want to do is fill up a blender with ice, because we put in probably about 15 ice cubes. The first ingredient to go in, guys, is 60 ml or 2 ounces of white rum. Our next ingredient to go in, guys, is 50 ml or half ounce of lime juice. And finally, 50 ml or half an ounce of blue CURACAO. And let's blend right into it. So get your Tom Collins glass and just pour into it. There we go. What the Fat Man Running. Right, so let's get a straw. Maybe not. So let's get a straw, and there we go. So let's get a straw and enjoy this nice slushy. Fat Man Running. Because there's a nice rummy slush, because if you enjoy your white rum, you'll enjoy this cocktail. Because it's a nice slush, it's nice and quick, and that is Fat Man Running. Because I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys, as we are approaching to 600. I appreciate all the help throughout this year, and hopefully we can achieve our goal of now 600 before the year's out. Can we do it? So I do appreciate all your help. But that is all for now, guys, and I will see you guys for the next cocktail video. Cheers.